Brian Breton has our forecast. We've been talking about our experiences with the stormy conditions yesterday, which is interesting because not everybody got this, but those who did,
yes,
it was a significant storm.
Southern Maine, and it ushered in a big change for today.
Big time.
And it's not only been less humid and cooler, it's been a little breezy too.
That stuck around.
Yeah, and I have my windows open. I was like, it's almost a little too cool.
Yeah.
But hey,
Hate to say it.
Can't complain. It's cleared, the sky's out, beautiful view out over Portland right now, 73 degrees with super dry and comfortable air. And in Bangor right now it is 71. Cooler up north as you'd expect. The air is coming down from Canada, so we have 60s actually up over the crown of Maine, low 70s everywhere else. But this really is the big story. The air is so dry that the dew points have dropped below our summer scale here. They're down in the 40s, which is more what you'd expect once we get into the fall. There have been a few little pop-up showers in eastern and northern Maine. Those will dry up once the sun goes down. And high pressure is on the way in, and the position of this high will control our weather, temperatures and humidity all week. It starts nice and comfortable, and then it gets hotter and more humid later this week. Tonight we'll dip into the 50s for many of us and 40s up north and some of the valleys. Very nice day ahead tomorrow. It's still super dry. It'll be a touch warmer than today, most of us getting into the mid and upper 70s. The wind will be lighter tomorrow too, not as gusty as today, and that will allow a sea breeze to kick in during the afternoon along the coastline. Just some cirrus clouds mixing in with the sun. Overall, very nice looking day tomorrow. 75 in Portland, 74 in Rockland. And again, a light sea breeze kicks in during the afternoon, but nothing all that strong. And we'll get into the mid 70s for most inland. Comfortable again tomorrow night and still very comfortable on Wednesday, but we start to turn a little bit warmer on Wednesday. Temperatures inland get up to around or just over 80, and along the coastline, again, a light southerly wind. So a light sea breeze, but nothing that really keeps us too cool. Upper 70s to around 80 on the southern Maine coast on Wednesday, and we'll be in the mid 70s down east. So high pressure is pretty much right over us on Wednesday, and then this starts to shift away later this week, and there will be heat and humidity building out over the middle of the country. It starts to come back on Thursday. You'll notice it turning more humid, and it certainly will be hotter on Thursday too, with temperatures rising between 85 and 90. And the hottest day is likely to be Friday, out ahead of this cold front. The longer we hold the front off on Friday, the hotter it will be, but it will also be very humid on Friday with dew points rising back up into the 70s. Right now it looks like this front comes down during the afternoon with showers and thunderstorms, and again, some of those storms on Friday could be strong or severe, something we'll have to watch as we get closer to it. And then another high builds down for Saturday and drops the humidity, but it's still going to be a warm day on Saturday. So you can see the dew points stay super low here the next couple of days, and then we'll inch the humidity back up. It'll peak on Friday before that next front clears us out for next weekend. On the water tomorrow, seas 2 to 3 feet, and northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest during the afternoon. So a nice day tomorrow, sunshine, some cirrus clouds, high temperatures in the 70s, a cool start, especially if you're up around 5 or 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. A bit warmer on Wednesday, we get close to 80. Inland areas on Thursday hit the low 90s, probably upper 80s along the coastline. Low 90s for most of us Friday with that front. And then right now the weekend looks good, less humid, but still fairly warm, just not super hot for the weekend.
Okay, we'll take
Temperature
it.
will still climb. Looks good.
Yes, sure does.
Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.